it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's give you with another reaction. Woo! There you guys today with Ding Dong. Yeah, man. Danca Bwoy. Ding Dong with Danca Bwoy. Because myself, Ding. That one I dropped a couple days ago. I did see it, but I never listened to it. So, missing some other thing I float on social media. So, make we see why. Make we see what one. Make we see oh. Make we see oh. Make we see when and why. All right? So, let's jump in on here with Ding Dong office. Say because myself, Ding. Let's go. Danca Bwoy, Ding Dong.
Yeah. From Ding Dong to World Ding. Yeah, man, I miss you, man.
Yeah, man.
See me? Yeah.
Production team, big up yourself.
Yeah.
Interrogation room, me now. All right.
Yeah. Yo, look a dancer boy. Yeah. Look a dancer boy. Yo, look a dancer boy. Yeah. Look a dancer boy. Yeah. Look a dancer boy from Overville. Where you left for you should have there still. Want use your voice in politics and mix up your name in a badness. You look a dancer boy, you get this. Feel your nobody to your turn artist. See if you use them dance thing nobody don't see and then come and show off for every street party.
Hola de man!
Pull up! Yo! Pull up!
Hola de man! So Ding, I do that one here. He might get interrogated. Big word, that man, a big word. So he might get interrogated by a officer, which is Ding. But you don't know. That's beside the point. So Ding basically I say everything where the public I say or what?
Yeah.
Something talk that I want then.
Yeah, man, I miss you, man.
Yeah. Roman, big up yourself. Yeah. All right.
Yo, look a dancer boy. Yeah.
Style him, you know.
Look a dancer boy.
Class him, you know.
Yo, look a dancer boy. Yeah.
So them class him.
Look a dancer boy. Yeah. Look a dancer boy from Overville.
Annaville.
Where you left for you should have there still. Want use your voice in politics and mix up your name in a badness. You look a dancer boy, you get this. Feel your nobody to your turn artist. See if you use them dancing nobody don't see and then come and show off for every street party. You look a dancer boy. Dancer boy. Look a dancer boy. Dancer boy. Oh rich, you broke like sticker. One thing with the door, you ever find them it's.
Boy, Rich, you broke like stick. I one thing with the door. You ever find those hits? I think I'm gonna talk about it now, guys.
Oh, Rich, you broke like sticker. One thing with the door. You ever find them hits? Send you to road when them try style it. Oh, we nasty. Home girl a rave with the click. And a bad.
Oh, we nasty. Home girl a rave with the click. Disha. Disha left?
Oh, we nasty. Home girl a
Disha there. Disha left?
rave with the click and a bad mind thing and a styling thing. But not care what you a do, and Miss Wacky are the king. You know sing bo and the gal, you know sing bo shut a fling. They know the yell you still at your good lean at the whole king. Go carpet.
You know sing certain song. You know sing about chopping. You know sing about under girl. You know sing about this and that. But oh, you still I find them song ya. What you do? You work wobia? Wobia music. That is what the officer is saying to Ding. You see me? Bumbo class.
You know sing bo shut a fling. They know the yell you still at your good lean at the whole king. Go carpet king. Bo sir world ding before you cross over. This a world stop spin. Bad.
Both so world ding. Both so world ding. Before you cross over, the world stop spinning. So before you get a crossover, dead, you go dead. Yeah.
Sing and the gal, you know sing bo shut a fling. They know the yell you still at your good lean at the whole king. Go carpet king. Both sir world ding before you cross over. This a world stop spin. Bad mind boy, you know you alone for win your thing. We don't know how you did a fight out. Hey, you look a dancer.
You did a fight out who? Who did a fight out? Hold on. Make we see the rhyming scheme and see Rich other name we can lead it back to. I break down in a man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Let's go.
Both sir welding before
Ding.
you cross over. This a world stop spin.
Spin.
Bad mind boy, and you alone for winning.
Win.
We don't know how you did a fight out.
Ching! Let's say it's a fight out Ching. I don't name them again. Ching name again. Want to get in that chat? Tell me what to get in that comment section, please. Ding, win, Ching. That me get. Which other name want to get? Listen again, man. Listen, man. And me say it, you know, at the office, I say to Ding. King. Ding.
Before you cross over, this a world stop
Spin.
Bad mind boy, and you alone for
Win.
winning. We don't know how you did a fight out.
Ching.
You
Hey.
like a dancer boy. Dancer boy. Hold on, you like that split?
That's what them I say, no. That's what them I say. So somebody does a breakdown with them I say. When Ding said them I say. I don't mean.
Let me talk now. I the same dancer boy this one I like. When me idols them fight, we jump up in a dance every night.
Yes, man. Blood clot. Ding time for talk now. I the same dancer boy this one I like. Yes.
Same dancer boy this one I like. When me idols them fight, we jump up in a dance every night. For years we have the place ignite. Me style them rewrite. Wanna go on like when I have no sight. Feel me when I lay now no open on the feelings. Stay they go on yet because me up like at the ceiling.
Hold on, man. My phone was plugged out a while ago.
Feel me when I lay now no open on the feelings. Stay they go on yet because me up like at the ceiling. My career no build up off a beefing. Me no skip no line, me hold my own, go watch my wife, me no do cheating. My career no build up off a beefing. Me no skip no line, me hold my own, go watch my wife, me no do cheating.
Him hold him own. Him carry no bill up off and no controversy, no beefing, no. Me in my own a lane, brother. So the fuck you say? Go and go ask my wife. Me no cheating, dog. I want to know. Not cheat the game.
Me no skip no line, me hold my own, go watch my wife, me no do cheating. Can't defeat him, better wanna leave him. Round table talk, attention, wanna seeking.
Yeah, man, no can't defeat me, so guess what? Better wanna leave me alone, now. Better wanna leave me the fuck alone. Round table talk, pillar talk, all them talk they wanna do. I'm too no man, move on, good man.
Cheating, can't defeat him, better wanna leave him. Round table talk, attention, wanna seeking. Sit down in a chair, for me name like every evening. Some I wanna chat too much and I should have going a preaching. Them used to call me dancer boy. The little dancer boy.
Some I wanna chat too much for true, man. If you're going to preaching for true.
Dancer boy, yeah. Them a say me fi pack up and left from here to a one team, one dream. Me no know what do you. True me no post and talk what we do me here. Them a say management nah do nothing.
Them a say management nah do nothing. Management at Ramesh Entertainment, him saying to Ramesh. So them a say management nah do nothing. Because him no post and tell everybody in business. Yeah, I saw social media still.
True me no post and talk what we do me here. Them a say management
Nah do nothing.
If it don't broke, don't fix it. Fling your shoulder, good thing, them a big hits. Still me not in a everybody playlist. That's why you know hear me verse man, such man remix. Hey, ABC fun the playlist. That's why you know hear me verse man, such man remix. ABC fun song you sing. Artists of the year, you will never win. Me give the fix it. Fling your shoulder, good thing, them a big hits. Still me not in a everybody playlist. That's why you know hear me verse man, such man remix.
The good things them. Fling your shoulder, big hit. Big hit song them. A real talk. Big hit song them. But guess what? We're not in a everybody playlist. Why we're not in a everybody playlist if them song they mash up the street and mash up everywhere? First of all, second of all. Hold on, man. Me not get the party ranking up.
Me not in a everybody playlist. That's why you know hear me verse man, such man remix.
At times say in a everybody playlist. That's why you're not hearing verse pan such man remix. Who am I call such man? Stylo J, you am talk. Stylo J, you am talk. Bad man out and stunting, yeah. Kyle them tick like dumpling. That song them attack. That song them attack. So if you never know, now you know. Yeah. What more can I do over here? Listen again.
That's why you know hear me verse.
On Such Man remix.
ABC, fun song you sing. Artists of the year, you will never win.
So you must say Stylo G sing ABC fun song. So artists of the year, you will never win it. Stylo G. That is what Ding Dong is saying. Not me, my fam. Not me, bro.
Me give the youths them chance for them do them thing. But me no God, me no control everything. You little dancer boy. Little dancer boy.
The man dropped that at the end of the song to you know, dog.
Little dancer boy. Little dancer boy. Little dancer boy from Overfield.
Yo, the man dropped that at the end of the bumbo clad song in a dog. What a piece of controversy. What a piece of pleke. What a piece of fuckery I go on. Hey! Bumbo clad. You know it's a Stylo G have one load up, you know. You know it's a Stylo G have a song load up where him soon drop. So you know say we will be back here to react to that. Alright? So let me know what you guys think about this one. Let me know what you think about this one. Little Dancer Boy by Ding Dong. Let me know what you think. Yeah. I'm out.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.